Hi, welcome to my channel, Vidagas Physics Academy. So, I am welcome to the Science Fair 2026. So, today we are going to explain about the earth alarm, earthquake alarm. When the earthquakes are occurring, so when the earth is suddenly shaking, we are getting earthquake. So many human life and disaster is one of the major disaster because of earthquake. So many human life is disaster. So and they will explain about the earthquake alarm.
Good morning, all. My name is Srikanth of 6 series. Now our topic is earthquake. Now start with our topic.
So when the earth is suddenly shaken, so we listen to the sound. So when we listen to the sound, we are going to the
When we come the earth shape, it will be U or signal. U for us signal. Thank you.
After that,